Hands-on with Microsoft Surface Pro 12-inch, smaller, smarter, and more portable. Microsoft has introduced a fresh take on its iconic Surface Pro lineup with the launch of the Surface Pro 12-inch, a more compact, highly portable tablet designed to deliver enhanced AI-powered experiences. This latest iteration combines sleek design, improved mobility, and cutting-edge artificial intelligence features, catering to users who want a versatile device for both work and entertainment. Opening the box of the Surface Pro 12-inch reveals the device itself, along with a power adapter. However, it's important to note that the signature Surface Type cover keyboard is sold separately at a price of $149 USD. The Surface Pen, another essential accessory for the complete Surface experience, is also an optional purchase. It conveniently attaches magnetically to the back of the device, ensuring it's always within reach. The most striking feature of the Surface Pro 12-inch is its smaller footprint compared to the Surface Pro 11. Microsoft has refined the design, with smoothly rounded corners and uniformly slim bezels around the screen, creating a balanced and contemporary aesthetic. The iconic kickstand remains, allowing users to adjust the viewing angle easily, whether they're typing, drawing, or watching videos. Unfortunately, this version does not appear to support removable storage options. A noticeable change is the new type cover keyboard design. Unlike the Surface Pro 11's keyboard that folds to create a slight typing incline, the Surface Pro 12-inch's type cover is now completely flat. The familiar Alcantara fabric, previously used on the rest area for added comfort, has been removed from that spot and only remains on the keyboard's exterior surface. This change may affect typing feel and comfort, requiring users some adjustment time. Microsoft has also shifted the rear camera to the device's corner. This repositioning is intended to optimize usability, particularly in portrait mode, for example, when reading documents or participating in vertical video calls. On the connectivity front, the Surface Pro 12-inch features 2 USB ports. However, a significant update is the removal of the proprietary Surface Connect port, which was previously used for charging and connecting legacy Surface accessories. Users will now rely solely on USB-C ports and compatible adapters to power and expand their device. The device is available in a range of youthful and elegant colors, including violet, platinum, and ocean blue, catering to users seeking both style and functionality. Microsoft has equipped the Surface Pro 12-inch with a 12-inch LCD display boasting a resolution of 2196 by 1464 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of 220 pixels per inch. The screen maintains the popular 32 aspect ratio, which is well suited for productivity tasks like document editing and web browsing. However, unlike the 120 Hz refresh rate panel found on the 13-inch Surface Pro 11, this model uses a 90 Hz display. Notably, there is no OLED display option available for this size. Inside, the Surface Pro 12-inch beats the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus chip, specially designed for Windows on ARM devices. This processor is paired with 16 GB of RAM and storage options of either 256 GB or 512 GB, striking a balance between solid performance and efficient power consumption. One of the biggest advantages of this ARM-based platform is the fanless design, enabling completely silent operation, a huge plus for quiet environments like libraries and meetings. Microsoft estimates that the Surface Pro 12-inch can deliver up to 12 hours of battery life during web browsing sessions. This endurance makes it a reliable companion for full workdays or extended study periods, without needing to recharge frequently. Both the Surface Pro 12-inch and the newly released Surface Laptop 13-inch are part of Microsoft's Copilot Plus PC initiative. This program optimizes devices to provide enhanced AI-powered experiences, directly integrated into Windows. The Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus includes an integrated neural processing unit (NPU), which plays a vital role in handling AI tasks efficiently on device. Users can look forward to smart features such as Recall, which allows easy searching of past activities and files, improved Windows search capabilities, and AI-enhanced tools baked into native apps like Paint and many others. These intelligent features aim to streamline workflows and elevate user productivity through intuitive and context-aware assistance. The Microsoft Surface Pro 12-inch is an exciting evolution in the Surface Pro family, focusing on portability, modern design, and intelligent user experiences. While some trade-offs, such as the removal of the Surface Connect port and changes in keyboard materials, might require adjustment, the device offers a compelling package for those who prioritize mobility without sacrificing performance. With its sharp display, fanless quiet operation, and deep AI integration through the Copilot Plus PC platform, the Surface Pro 12-inch caters well to professionals, students, and creative users alike, who want a powerful yet lightweight device to tackle everyday tasks. As Microsoft continues to push Windows devices forward with ARM-based processors and AI-driven features, the Surface Pro 12-inch sets the tone for the next generation of smart, portable computing.